Maintaining a healthy aquarium is a blend of art and science. But what if you lack a water testing kit available? Don't fret, your aquarium provides distinct signals indicating when it's time to change the water. Indication 1: turbid water. If your water appears cloudy or has a hazy appearance, it might be due to a collection of organic waste, leftover food, or a growth of bacteria. Changing the water can assist in clarifying the situation. Indicator number 2: fish actions. If your fish often swim close to the surface or are struggling for air, it indicates inadequate oxygen levels. Elevated ammonia or nitrite concentrations could also be a factor, and a water change may provide relief. Indicator 3: excessive algae growth. Although some algae are typical, overgrowth on the glass, decorations, or substrate might suggest elevated nutrient levels in the water. Changing the water assists in lowering these nutrients. Indicator number 4: contaminated surface. If you see a buildup of waste or leftover food at the base of your tank, it's time to perform a partial water change and perhaps do some gentle gravel cleaning. Indicator number 5: decreased filter flow. A blocked or slow filter might not be purifying your water properly, causing toxins to accumulate. Although cleaning the filter is essential, changing the water will likewise enhance water quality. Indication number 6: change in water color. If your water has changed to yellow or brown, it could be due to tannins from driftwood or accumulated waste. Although tannins aren't detrimental, they may decrease pH levels, thus a partial water change can aid in restoring equilibrium. Here's a useful tip: incorporate small, regular water changes into your routine. In this manner, you won't need to depend on testing kits or wait for noticeable indicators of problems. Maintaining consistency is essential for ensuring the health of your aquarium. By watching your aquarium and recognizing these signals, you can preserve a healthy habitat for your fish, even in the absence of a test kit. Thank you for viewing. If you found this video useful, please like it and subscribe for additional aquarium tips and tricks. Catch you in the upcoming video.